Welcome back to Auto Car News. Get ready to experience a new level of innovation and luxury in the world of motorhomes. Today, we're introducing you to the highly anticipated 2025 Xiaomi SU7 motorhome, a futuristic marvel that blends cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and unmatched functionality. If you're someone who dreams of exploring the world without sacrificing comfort or convenience, this might just be the ultimate travel companion for you. Let's start by talking about the exterior of the Xiaomi SU7. Xiaomi has made a bold statement with its minimalist yet futuristic design. The motorhome features smooth, aerodynamic lines that not only look stunning but also improve fuel efficiency. The front grille has a sleek LED lighting strip that runs across it, doubling as a dynamic indicator. The body is crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy with carbon fiber reinforcements, making it both lightweight and durable, ideal for both city cruising and rugged adventures. One standout feature of the exterior is the retractable smart awning. At the touch of a button, the awning extends with built-in LED lighting, creating the perfect outdoor space for relaxing or entertaining. Integrated solar panels on the roof power much of the motorhome systems, ensuring you can stay off-grid for extended periods without worrying about energy. And for adventure enthusiasts, there's a foldable e-bike compartment and a built-in electric charging station for outdoor gadgets. Stepping inside the Xiaomi SU7, you'll immediately notice the attention to detail and emphasis on creating a harmonious living space. The interior design combines Xiaomi's signature minimalist aesthetic with a luxurious touch. Soft touch materials, warm lighting, and carefully chosen colors create an atmosphere that feels both calming and sophisticated. The living area is designed to be multifunctional. A U-shaped seating arrangement, upholstered with eco-leather, surrounds a smart dining table that can be electronically adjusted to different heights. The table also doubles as a wireless charging station, allowing you to keep your devices powered up at all times. Mounted on the wall is a 65-inch 4K OLED smart TV, complete with Xiaomi's latest AI-powered entertainment system. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, attending virtual meetings, or gaming, this system has you covered. The kitchen in the SU7 is nothing short of impressive. It features a fully automated setup with Xiaomi's proprietary smart appliances. From the induction cooktop to the self-cleaning convection oven, every detail is designed for ease of use. There's a built-in smart refrigerator that monitors its contents and suggests recipes based on what's available. The quartz countertops and touchless faucet add a modern high-tech feel, while a fold-out pantry ensures ample storage for all your culinary needs. As you move toward the rear, you'll find the bedroom area, which is truly a sanctuary on wheels. The queen-sized bed is equipped with Xiaomi's advanced sleep tracking system and a memory foam mattress that adjusts firmness based on your preference. Overhead, a panoramic skylight lets you fall asleep under the stars, and built-in blackout shades ensure total privacy when needed. Storage is cleverly integrated with spacious compartments and a smart wardrobe that organizes your clothing for you. The bathroom is another area where Xiaomi has gone above and beyond. It features a rainfall shower with customizable temperature and water pressure settings, controlled via a touchscreen panel. The vanity is fitted with an anti-fog mirror and a smart lighting system that adjusts based on the time of day. A compact, energy-efficient washer-dryer combo is also tucked away in the corner, making laundry on the go a breeze. What sets the Xiaomi SU7 apart from other motorhomes is its state-of-the-art technology. The entire motorhome is powered by Xiaomi's IoT ecosystem, allowing you to control every aspect of your living space through a single app or voice commands. The motorhome is equipped with a central AI assistant that not only manages your devices, but also helps with navigation, weather updates, and even travel recommendations. Another groundbreaking feature is the energy system. The SU7 is fully electric, powered by Xiaomi's advanced solid-state batteries that offer an impressive range of up to 800 kilometers on a single charge. The motorhome also includes a regenerative braking system and can charge via solar panels or fast charging stations, making it one of the most sustainable vehicles in its class. For those who love to explore off the beaten path, the Xiaomi SU7 doesn't disappoint. It comes with adaptive suspension and all-terrain tires, ensuring a smooth ride no matter where your adventures take you. The vehicle's advanced driver assistance systems include 360-degree cameras, lane keeping assist, and autonomous driving capabilities for added safety and convenience.